how to add a Mastercard gift card to your PayPal. First, you will need to go to Google and search register Mastercard gift card if you haven't done so already. You want to go to the second link here, activate a card, check balance, so on and so forth. You will just click on it. Now here you just want to activate your Mastercard gift card, and once you activate your Mastercard gift card, you will go into PayPal. Now here we want to locate the option for add card or bank. Click on that option and then you will select link a debit or credit card. Once you select link a credit or debit card, then you will need to provide your Mastercard gift card info here, such as the number, the expiration, the CVV, and also the billing address which you have connected to your Mastercard gift card in the previous step. Afterwards, you will just click on link card, and that way you can use your Mastercard on PayPal. I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.